again, again. Try again, try again. Do it again, do it again. What type of music do you like? What type of music do you like? What type of movies do you like? What type of movies do you like? I had a fun day. I had a fun day. I had a good day. I had a good day. I had a busy day. I had a busy day. What will you do later? What will you do later? I have an exam later. I have an exam later. I'll be free later. I'll be free later. I'll be busy later. I'll be busy later. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? Can I tell you later? Can I tell you later? Can I call you later? Can I call you later? I need to practice my English. I need to practice my English. I need to improve my English speaking. I need to improve my English speaking. Do you have WhatsApp? Do you have WhatsApp? Do you use WhatsApp? Do you use WhatsApp? When are you free? When are you free? Message me when you are free. Message me when you are free. I'm unemployed. I'm unemployed. I'm looking for a job. I'm looking for a job. Where do you work? Where do you work? I'm cooking dinner. I'm cooking dinner. Is it easy? Is it easy? Is it difficult? Is it difficult? I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm confused. I'm confused. What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? I like watching movies. I like watching movies. I like listening to music. I like listening to music. I like reading books. I like reading books. I like watching television. I like watching television. I am with my friends. I am with my friends. I was with my family. I was with my family. How do you feel? How do you feel? I feel lazy. I feel lazy. I am lazy. I am lazy. I feel sick. I feel sick. I am sick. I am sick. I feel okay. I feel okay. I am okay. I am okay. I feel weird. I feel weird. You are weird. You are weird. Thanks for asking. Thanks for asking. I was worried. I was worried. Are you home? Are you home? I am waiting. I am waiting. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. You are so nice. You are so nice. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Is it finished? Is it finished? It's boring. It's boring. I can't wait for summer. I can't wait for summer. I can't wait for school to end. I can't wait for school to end. I like your shirt. I like your shirt. Where did you get it? Where did you get it? How lucky. How lucky. How sad. How sad. Where is this place? Where is this place? Do you have a question? Do you have a question? I have a question. I have a question. What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? Who's your favorite singer? Who's your favorite singer? My favorite singer is I Fechner. My favorite singer is I Fechner. Who's your favorite band? Who's your favorite band? My favorite band is I Fechner. My favorite band is I Fechner. It's noisy. It's noisy. Turn the volume down. Turn the volume down. It's very messy. It's very messy. It's very complicated. It's very complicated. It's smelly. It's smelly. It's quiet. It's quiet. Turn the volume up. Turn the volume up. It's better. It's better. It's worse. It's worse. I'm studying right now. I'm studying right now. I just got home. I just got home. How did it happen? How did it happen? How was it? How was it? How is it possible? How is it possible? I was thinking of you. I was thinking of you. I had a dream. I had a dream. I slept like a baby. I slept like a baby. Did you hear the news? Did you hear the news? I have a good news. I have a good news. I got a job. I got a job. Congratulations. Congratulations. Time to celebrate. Time to celebrate. You have my support. You have my support. I'm with you. I am with you. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your support. It's inspiring. It's inspiring. I'm confident. I'm confident. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. I'm ready. Are you sure? Are you sure? I'm sure. I am sure. I like how you think. I like how you think. It's true. It's true. It's a mistake. It's a mistake. It's terrible. It's terrible. It's awesome. It's awesome. Who needs help? Who needs help? I'm here to help. I'm here to help. What are the options? What are the options? Are you looking for something? Are you looking for something? What do you need? What do you need? It's working. It's working. It's not working. It's not working. It's very helpful. It's very helpful. It's a miracle. It's a miracle. How do you learn? How do you learn? I practice by listening. I practice by listening. I practice when I am free. I practice when I'm free. English is easy. English is easy. English is difficult. English is difficult. My pronunciation needs practice. My pronunciation needs practice. Are you learning English too? Are you learning English too? I have problems with pronunciation. I have problems with pronunciation. It's normal. It's normal. What are good foreign films to watch? What are good foreign films to watch? I like learning about different cultures. I like learning about different cultures. I need to rest. I need to rest. I'm home alone. I'm home alone. Do you want to talk? Do you want to talk? Wait for me. Wait for me. I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you. Tell me when you are ready. Tell me when you are ready. I can't right now. I can't right now. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. I'll take a shower. I'll take a shower. It happens to everyone. It happens to everyone. How do you do it? How do you do it? I'm doing the same. I'm doing the same. I have time. I have time. I don't have time. I don't have time. I have money. I have money. Do you have money? Do you have money? I don't have money. I don't have money. I'm busy at school. I am busy at school. I'm free this weekend. I'm free this weekend. What time are you free? What time are you free? I'll tell you later. I'll tell you later. I hope to see you soon. I hope to see you soon. Can I have one? Can I have one? Make yourself comfortable. Make yourself comfortable. Thanks for your hospitality. Thanks for your hospitality. What's new? What's new? Nothing much. Nothing much. It's interesting. It's interesting. You have a beautiful house. You have a beautiful house. I'm making plans. I'm making plans. It's exciting. It's exciting. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Did you hear about what happened? Did you hear about what happened? Tell me more. Tell me more. I'll write it down. I'll write it down. Explain this. Explain this. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. Take your time. Take your time. I can explain. I can explain. Did you learn something? Did you learn something? It's funny because it's true. It's funny because it's true. Today was a crazy day. Today was a crazy day. It's a secret. It's a secret. I'm here. I'm here. I can hear you. I can hear you. I can see you. I can see you. I want to travel. I want to travel. It's time to sleep. It's time to sleep. I love learning languages. I love learning languages. What did you study? What did you study? I hate waking up early. I hate waking up early. What are they doing? What are they doing? I'm bored. I'm bored. I'm practicing English. I'm practicing English. How is your pronunciation? How is your pronunciation? I need help with English. I need help with English. You are a good teacher. You are a good teacher. I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help. Where did you go? Where did you go? I can't find you. I can't find you. Are you a university student? Are you a university student? I am a university student. I am a university student. I live with my family. I live with my family. I live alone. I live alone. Who's here? Who's here? Is it true? Is it true? Is it false? Is it false? I'm on my bed. I'm on my bed. Visit me. Visit me. You will like it. You will like it. Which is it? Which is it? What are you buying? What are you buying? What's that noise? What's that noise? It's night here. It's night here. It's time for dinner. It's time for dinner. It's time to leave. It's time to leave. I can wait. I can wait. What time is it there? What time is it there? What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow? I have a business. I have a business. It's a good job. It's a good job. Dinner is almost ready. Dinner is almost ready. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? Ask me. Ask me. Tell me if you need help. Tell me if you need help. I'm shy. I'm shy. I like this place. I like this place. She's my wife. She's my wife. He's my husband. He's my husband. You have a beautiful family. You have a beautiful family. These are my children. These are my children. You have beautiful children. You have beautiful children. I have a big family. I have a big family. I have a small family. I have a small family. Are you the youngest? Are you the youngest? I am the youngest. I am the youngest. Are you single? Are you single? I am single. I am single. I'm married. I'm married. I'm engaged. I'm engaged. When is the wedding? When is the wedding? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? You are welcome to come. You are welcome to come. Whose is it? Whose is it? It's mine. It's mine. We are having a party. We are having a party. I'm on the way. I'm on the way. I'm in my car. I'm in my car. What time are you going to sleep? What time are you going to sleep? I always sleep late. I always sleep late. I always sleep early. I always sleep early. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up early. I wake up early. I wake up late. I wake up late. I can't go today. I can't go today. It's time for me to get ready. It's time for me to get ready. I have slow internet connection. I have slow internet connection. I am happy to see you. I am happy to see you. It's dark. It's dark. Can you give me that? Can you give me that? Can I borrow this? Can I borrow this? Here you go. Here you go. Come later. Come later. Someone is calling me. Someone is calling me. The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. It was nobody. It was nobody. They always call. They always call. I live in an apartment. I live in an apartment. I live in a house. I live in a house. It was an accident. It was an accident. Can you pick me up? Can you pick me up? I will be here. I will be here. Don't worry. Don't worry. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. It's midnight here. It's midnight here. Who are you with? Who are you with? I am practicing. I am practicing. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Yes. Yes. No. No. How much is it? How much is it? It's a lot. It's a lot. It's a little. It's a little. I miss you. I miss you. What's the price? What's the price? It's important. It's important. It's not important. It's not important. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. I have an idea. I have an idea. I believe you. I believe you. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. What are you saying? What are you saying? It's a beautiful house. It's a beautiful house. I'm thinking. I'm thinking. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Are you practicing? Are you practicing? It's a boy. It's a boy. It's a girl. It's a girl. What are you making? What are you making? I'm making something. I'm making something. This is yours. This is yours. Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? Can you go? Can you go? I can go. I can go. I can't go. I can't go. We can go. We can go. I won. I won. I lost. I lost. It's a good film. It's a good film. We need you. We need you. I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. I'm in France. I'm in France. He's my friend. He's my friend. It's a beautiful place. It's a beautiful place. I like this place. I like this place. Do you have a copy? Do you have a copy? I have a copy. I have a copy. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? I'm at the airport. I'm at the airport. It's funny. It's funny. Where is this place? Where is this place? I want water. I want water. I like your city. I like your city. Where are you going? Where are you going? Are you thinking? Are you thinking? Do you have a question? Do you have a question? I have a question. I have a question. What's your question? What's your question? She is my mother. She is my mother. He is my father. He is my father. What are you buying? What are you buying? What are you selling? What are you selling? It's cold. It's cold. It's hot. It's hot. I work there. I work there. What do they want? What do they want? It's bad for me. It's bad for me. It's good for you. It's good for you. Are you better? Are you better? I'm better. I'm better. We work together. We work together. You can win. You can win. I have a dog. I have a dog. I have a cat. I have a cat. They are my children. They are my children. You have a good idea. You have a good idea. I'm in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. They are sleeping. They are sleeping. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Do you have time? Do you have time? Do you have time? I have time. I have time. I hear something. I hear something. It's open. It's open. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm sad. Are you in school? Are you in school? I'm in school. I'm in school. Where is the door? Where is the door? Can I say something? Can I say something? I hate this. I hate this. We practice today. We practice today. Are you tired? Are you tired? It's a good day. It's a good day. I'm coming with you. I'm coming with you. I give you this. I give you this. You make good food. You make good food. Where is the entrance? Where is the entrance? Where is the exit? Where is the exit? They are friendly. They are friendly. Are you coming? Are you coming? I have a class today. I have a class today. I'm in my bed. I'm in my bed. Thanks for everything. Thanks for everything. I work. I work. I worked. I worked. I will work. I will work. I am working. I am working. I was working. I was working. I will be working. I will be working. I have worked. I have worked. I had worked. I had worked. I will have worked. I will have worked. I have been working for 2 hours. I have been working for 2 hours. I have been working since morning. I have been working since morning. I had been working for 2 hours. I had been working for 2 hours. I had been working since morning. I had been working since morning. I will have been working for 2 hours. I will have been working for 2 hours. I will have been working since morning. I will have been working since morning. I can work. I can work. I could work. I could work. I shall work. I shall work. I would have worked. I would have worked. I do not work. I do not work. I don't work. I don't work. I did not work. I did not work. I didn't work. I didn't work. I will not work. I will not work. I'll not work. I'll not work. I am not working. I am not working. I was not working. I was not working. I will not be working. I will not be working. I have not worked. I have not worked. I had not worked. I had not worked. I will have not worked. I will have not worked. I have not been working for 2 hours. I have not been working for 2 hours. I have not been working since morning. I have not been working since morning. I had not been working for 2 hours. I had not been working for 2 hours. I had not been working since morning. I had not been working since morning. I will have not been working for 2 hours. I will have not been working for 2 hours. I will have not been working since morning. I will have not been working since morning. I cannot work. I cannot work. I could not work. I could not work. I shall not work. I shall not work. I would have not worked. I would have not worked. Do I work? Do I work? Did I work? Did I work? Will I work? Will I work? Am I working? Am I working? Was I working? Was I working? Will I be working? Will I be working? Have I worked? Have I worked? Had I worked? Had I worked? Will I have worked? Will I have worked? Have I been working for 2 hours? Have I been working for 2 hours? Have I been working since morning? Have I been working since morning? Had I been working for 2 hours? Had I been working for 2 hours? Had I been working since morning? Had I been working since morning? Will I have been working for 2 hours? Will I have been working for 2 hours? Will I have been working since morning? Will I have been working since morning? Can I work? Can I work? Could I work? Could I work? Shall I work? Shall I work? Would I have worked? Would I have worked? Learn English with ifactner.com. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. How do you do? How do you do? How are you? How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. Good. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You are welcome. You are welcome. Here you are. Here you are. Please. Please. And how are you? And how are you? I'm also fine. Thank you. I am also fine. Thank you. Pardon. Pardon. Have we met before? Have we met before? I don't recall. I don't recall. What's your name? What's your name? My name is. My name is. And yours? And yours? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Pleasure is mine. Pleasure is mine. What do you do? What do you do? I work in a company. I work in a company. And what do you do? And what do you do? I am a student. I am a student. Sorry. Sorry. I am sorry. I am sorry. I have to go. I have to go. Good day. Good day. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Bye. Bye. See you soon. See you soon. Until the next time. Until the next time. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. I miss you. I miss you. Me too. Me too. Take care. Take care. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning to speak English. I am learning to speak English. Do you need help? Do you need help? I need help. I need help. I don't need help. I don't need help. I don't feel confident. I don't feel confident. Can you please guide me? Can you please guide me? Yes, with pleasure. Yes, with pleasure. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Nothing. Nothing. Yes. Yes. No. No. Never. Never. Perhaps. Perhaps. Maybe. Maybe. Sure. Sure. Indeed. Indeed. It may be possible. It may be possible. Are you working? Are you working? I am working. I am working. Where are you working? Where are you working? I am working at a university. I am working at a university. I am not working. I am not working. I will cooperate with you. I will cooperate with you. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. Thanks for the information. Thanks for the information. Are you busy? Are you busy? Yes, I am a little busy. Yes, I am a little busy. No, I am free. No, I am free. Are you free? Are you free? Yes, I am free. Yes, I am free. Let's go out. Let's go out. I am hungry. I am hungry. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Let's eat. Let's eat. Where is the train station? Where is the train station? Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop? I need to buy a ticket. I need to buy a ticket. You can buy them from that shop. You can buy them from that shop. I need something. I need something. How much? How much? How much do I owe you? How much do I owe you? What are your salary expectations? What are your salary expectations? I think 30,000 would be enough. I think 30,000 would be enough. What do you need? What do you need? I need money. I need money. Are you a student? Are you a student? I am a student. I am a student. I have money. I have money. I don't have money. I don't have money. What time it is? What time it is? It's 5:30. It's 5:30. You know more. You know more. Do you know? Do you know? What do you know? What do you know? I don't know. I don't know. I know nothing. I know nothing. Are you tired? Are you tired? I am tired. I am tired. Are you happy? Are you happy? I am happy. I am happy. Are you not tired? Are you not tired? I'm not tired. I'm not tired. It's early. It's early. It's late. It's late. We reached there on time. We reached there on time. Excuse me. Excuse me. Where is the restroom? Where's the restroom? Where is the phone? Where's the phone? Where are you? Where are you? I am at home. I am at home. I am at work. I am at work. I will buy something. I will buy something. Can I help you? Can I help you? How may I help you? How may I help you? Can you help me? Can you help me? I have more. I have more. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Ifechtner. I live in Ifechtner. Where do you study? Where do you study? If you need, I can give you money. If you need, I can give you money. I don't need your sympathy. I don't need your sympathy. I need a job. I need a job. I need you. I need you. Where do you play? Where do you play? What are you cooking? What are you cooking? I am reading. I am reading. You are driving. You are driving. He is writing. He is writing. She is laughing. She is laughing. It is running. It is running. They are waiting. They are waiting. We are going. We are going. What are you reading? What are you reading? What do you want? What do you want? It's easy. It's easy. It's difficult. It's difficult. Where do you smoke? Where do you smoke? How is your family? How is your family? Family is fine. Family is fine. How are your children? How are your children? Superb. Superb. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. Very good. Very bad. Very bad. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? Call me. Call me. I'll call you. I'll call you. Let's go out. Let's go out. I am with family. I am with family. I am with friends. I am with friends. What's your mobile number? What's your mobile number? I am in Europe. I am in Europe. What? What? What is the time? What is the time? Who? Who? Who are you? Who are you? When? When? When is she coming? When is she coming? Where? Where? Where are they going? Where are they going? Why? Why? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? How? How? How is she doing? How is she doing? It's sunny. It's sunny. It's raining. It's raining. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. It's snowing. It's snowing. I like summers. I like summers. I don't like winters. I don't like winters. What do you play? What do you play? Are you waiting? Are you waiting? I am waiting. I am waiting. I am eating. I am eating. I like the food. I like the food. I like to drive. I like to drive. I like to ride a bicycle. I like to ride a bicycle. What are you learning? What are you learning? Why are you learning English? Why are you learning English? I have a big family. I have a big family. I have a small family. I have a small family. What's that? What's that? Do you like it? Do you like it? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I like the book. I like the book. I am traveling. I am traveling. Have a nice trip. Have a nice trip. Where are you? Where are you? I am here. I am here. I like it. I like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. What do you like? What do you like? You are beautiful. You are beautiful. Good luck. Good luck. Can you see me? Can you see me? I can see you. I can see you. Today. Today. Today is my birthday. Today is my birthday. Morning. Morning. Let's think about it in the morning. Let's think about it in the morning. evening, evening. I walk in the evening. I walk in the evening. Night, night. He sleeps at night. He sleeps at night. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday. Day before yesterday. Day before yesterday. Yesterday, yesterday. Tomorrow, tomorrow. I understand. I understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. It's a good price. It's a good price. It's cheap. It's cheap. It's expensive. It's expensive. It's fresh. It's fresh. It's stale. It's stale. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? How was your day? How was your day? My day was good. My day was good. My day was bad. My day was bad. It's delicious. It's delicious. It's good. It's good. I want more. I want more. I want less. I want less. It's fine. It's fine. Thanks for the food. Thanks for the food. May I ask why? May I ask why? Can you help her? Can you help her? Could you please help me out? Could you please help me out? I'll help you. I'll help you. Yes, please. Yes, please. No, thanks. No, thanks. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Day. Day. People work during the day. People work during the day. Afternoon. Afternoon. I can come in the afternoon. I can come in the afternoon. Evening. Evening. We can play in the evening. We can play in the evening. Night. Night. I sleep at night. I sleep at night. Early. Early. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. Late. Late. Why are you always late? Why are you always late? I arrived early. I arrived early. I arrived late. I arrived late. Date. Date. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm enthusiastic. I'm enthusiastic. I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep. I have work to do. I have work to do. It's hailing. It's hailing. It's very difficult. It's very difficult. Where is the classroom? Where is the classroom? Over there. Over there. Here. Here. Come here. Come here. Go there. Go there. Turn off the TV. Turn off the TV. Don't watch that movie. Don't watch that movie. How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Excused. Excused. Promise me. Promise me. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. You too. You too. Enjoy your holidays. Enjoy your holidays. How do you say in English? How do you say in English? I understand. I understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Do you understand? Do you understand? What's there to eat? What's there to eat? What's there to drink? What's there to drink? Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? I love to go there. I love to go there. today, today. What did you do today? What did you do today? What did you do yesterday? Yesterday. What did you do yesterday? What did you do this morning? What did you do this morning? How beautiful! How beautiful! What are you saying? What are you saying? Why are you hurting me? Why are you hurting me? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Did you like it? Did you like it? I hate it. I hate it. I love it. I love it. Do you want some? Do you want some? I think so. I think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Good idea. Good idea. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Ifechtner. I'm from Ifechtner. I need rest. I need rest. How cool. How cool. That's hot. That's hot. Good job. Good job. I need to go. I need to go. I want to go. I want to go. I don't want to go. I don't want to go. What a surprise! What a surprise! I want to go there. I want to go there. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. Welcome. Welcome. Good luck. Good luck. Long time no see. Long time no see. Please speak more slowly. Please speak more slowly. Can you please speak slowly? Can you please speak slowly? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English. Yes, a little. Yes, a little. Can you write it down, please? Can you write it down, please? How much is it? How much is it? Get well soon. Get well soon. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. What happened? What happened? What's happening? What's happening? I like you. I like you. What do you do? What do you do? Can you believe it? Can you believe it? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a rainy day. It's a rainy day. It's sunny. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. It's snowing. It's snowing. It's cool. It's cool. Please sit down. Please sit down. Come in. Come in. Get out of here. Get out of here. How may I help you? How may I help you? How may I serve you? How may I serve you? Do you want something to drink? Do you want something to drink? Do you want to have tea? Do you want to have tea? Do you want something to eat? Do you want something to eat?